the idea of a circuit theory is that before we dive into the meaning of this thing, the word theory is something that has been proved to be true, right? Something that it has been said to be true, and then you can't do anything. A boy is a boy, right? And then a girl is also a girl. Is that okay? So these are the two things. Just a simple scenario. So the theory here is something that has been proved to be true. Once you say it, you can easily determine that this is what they are trying to say. Is that okay? Okay, now the circle here, we all know circle from the basics, so it's something rather shaped like you know the definitions of a circle. So here we are talking about angles, people that are within the circle, and then they must follow a specific or structure. So what I mean by a structure here is that looking at this building here, this building is a little bit different from this one. You can never say these two guys are the same, right? So these two building is the same as this one. Based on the structure, you can see that there's a difference between the two. That is the concept that you must convey in solving what a circuit theorem. Is that okay? So you must first of all identify the structure. Is the most important thing and the vivid thing that you must go with. So this is one structure you've seen before, right? So maybe a circuit theorem. This is one structure. What is telling us is that people within this circle follow a particular structure. What I mean by this structure, look at something. There's one guy here. This is one structure. There's another one that goes like this. So this is another one. So the whole idea of a circuit theory is angles inside the circuit theory. But you must see the way the structure looks like. Because as I say, this structure is different from this one. So you cannot say that these two people are the same. For that reason, we are going to apply the same property or definition on this one, right? So what we are trying to say is that looking at this structure in the circle here, they are all starting from the same starting point. So with this red line here, you can see that these people, these three guys, this is what I'm calling the guys, right? So these three guys are starting from the same point, right? So if that happens and this is the structure, right? So this is the structure that they are building within the circle. Then we are going to say that A here, the first guy is equal to the second guy, and then it's equal to the third guy. Is that okay? Based on the structure. So your key term here must be what? The structure. You must see the structure before you apply it, right? So this is the structure that we are talking about. If this is the case, then if you have here to be 25 degrees here, so for sure you know that since all of them are starting from the same point here, right? So this is the line here, and then they are having something that look at the structure that goes like this, then it means that here is 25, here is going to be 25, and then here is also going to be 25, right? It's okay. Based on the structure, this is something that has already been proved. You don't need to go through the process. You are just using it, see the structure and apply it as it is. That is the concept, the whole concept of circuit theory. But if you want to know more, why don't you subscribe to our channel for more content